Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes, for your comment, for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's tutorial is inspired. This Halloween look is actually inspired by a ballerina. Okay, I didn't have intention of doing Halloween makeup at all because we're in the middle of moving from where I am right now to another state, and I was like, I think I'm just going to pass on this Halloween look. But recently I had the opportunity to do a thrift store haul, and inside the thrift store I came across this thing that I'm wearing right now, this costume that I'm wearing right now. I'm so excited. Like, it fitted me so perfectly, like it was made for me, and I bought it for $8, guys. $8. You all gonna see from head to toe. Okay, this is just for you to, to do the introduction, right? Anyway, don't let me waste much of your time. Okay, if you all want to see how I achieve this very simple glam Halloween look, please do continue watching. And if you like this video, could you please give it thumbs up, comment, share, and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. What are you waiting for? It's free. Hit the subscribe button and please turn on your notification bell. That is very important in order for you to know whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. Okay, so I already did my brows of the camera as usual, and the palette that I'll be using, I intend to use just one palette. Like, I don't like giving myself stress, like switching from one palette to the other. So this is the palette that I'll be using to create the look today. So please do continue watching and let's see what I can come up with.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs, let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can.